Hi, this is Andrea. I created a book with my dad, and this is Imaginary Planet. Now we're finally going to make the basketball.
Finally.
Now it's going to be more exciting.
So, we have to draw the ball.
You know, no one can make a perfect circle with a pencil and paper, but in digital painting you can. Well, first let's get the right color. I'm just going to pick this orange. This picture is only for reference, so we can lower the opacity a bit. So let me press the N, and just like that, just a little bit. And now I'll make the perfect circle. So I'll lock the background first, and the reference I'm also going to lock it because I don't want to draw on that. So I'm going to start over here and make my way up. Just like that. Now, you hold it, it will say up, edit shape. You press edit shape. You can move it around, or you can make it a perfect circle. It's crazy. You can make it like an oval. You can do whatever you want. But we're going to make a circle because
basketball is a circle.
And if you want, if it's not big enough, you can just press the arrow and you can move it up. I'm going to leave it there. You want to color it in, you hold the circle with one finger and you drag it. And when you're done, you have to just release it, and that's it. Now it's colored in without us wasting our time doing like that. Okay, now we're going to make the black lines. I'm just going to name this quickly. I'm going to name it base color.
Because it's the base color, that's not only the ball. Okay, let's make the black lines.
It's going to be like kind of brown. So I'm going to show you something really quickly. So I'm going to add a layer. And if I draw, I'm going to pass the ball. So if you don't want that to happen, you can do this. So you press square and put clipping mask. And now you see that arrow, that means that you're only going to draw in the circle and you don't pass. See? Let's lower the opacity. I'm going to name this real quick as well. Okay, lines.
Because it's the lines.
So now we're going to follow these lines and we're going to draw them as well.
Because that's how we use a reference, or else we won't need it.
As I showed you earlier, they're going to be perfect. So we're going to make perfect arcs. So there, we hold it and shape. We can make it like an arc, all bendy, or we can make it like straight lines, but we want an arc. So when you're done, just press wherever you want. Now we're going to make the other one. Okay, just like that, edit shape. So you can make it an arc, a line, or quadratical. We're going to make an arc, and we can move it around, just like that. Now it's perfect. So now we're going to make the second line, which is this one in the middle. It's really easy. You just need to do like that. Now this looks similar to a line, so it asks you if you want to make a line. Okay, now the third one. So we're going to start here. Edit shape. Well, I think it's fine already. Now let's make the second curve. Okay, just like that. If you don't want to make it, just press wherever you want. But I want to edit the shape. Just like that. Okay, now this central one. Just like that. Now I'm going to rub off this thing, the extra lines. Let's see if there's something else here. Anything else?
I don't think so.
Okay, we're done. Now let's put the opacity to max. Now we have it like that. Look how cool it looks. Well, we still have to do way more stuff to make it look really cool. So now we're finished the episode. So we would leave it like that, but there's way more stuff to do. So we're going to make it realistic because the background is really cool compared to the ball. So we're going to make it more realistic in the next episode and the other episodes, which is about the lights and shadows of the ball. So we're finished. I see you in the next episode. Bye bye.